Hey, what's up everybody? We have a special guest with us today on our how-to, and she's going to be introducing the dish.
Hi, my name is Hannah, and today we're going to cook pork belly.
Yeah, let's go.
Yay! So now we're going to put these into this tray. So now we're going to bake it for 400 degrees and we're going to bake it for 45 minutes. And now we'll put it into the oven. Now you have to make sure that it's on the bottom tray.
Okay, so while the pork belly is still cooking, we are going to be cooking rice and making some pepper for the pork belly. So Hannah is going to be doing the rice today.
And now we're gonna make rice, and I'm gonna pour 2 cups of rice. So now we're gonna rinse the rice. You make sure you put it in cold water. And now we're gonna measure it on top of the rice to about right here. And now I'm gonna put the rice in here. And don't forget to cook the rice. And you're cooking rice. And now the rice is done and we need to mix it. Kind of hot. The pork belly is done. We're gonna take it out. And now we'll boil the pork belly skin.
Here, Sevi, he's going to try out our food today.
Hi, my name is Bailey, and I can try you things.
You going to try the food?
Yeah.
Okay, try it.
So now it's my turn next. Okay, taste the crunchy.
Now it's my turn. Where's my pepper right there? That is how you make pork belly in the oven.
Peace out. Hi, my name is and now we boil the beef.
Yeah, pour the water.